My name is Robert Greishaw, and I own a 1989 Dodge Dakota that used to be my dad's. Constant project since 2013. It is an 89, but I have put a newer model Dakota nose on it, like a 93 or 94 nose, more of a European look to it, and put a roll pan on it. That's a couple of the first things I did to it. I also had custom-made brackets. I did my driving lights to where they actually look like they're from factory now. It used to be blue interior, bench seat, and no carpeting, no plastic trim, because it was just he ordered just a very basic pickup. Anyway, so now the interior is all more like an SLT, door panels, everything. I've changed the color from blue to gray and black, so this gives I feel, a much better look. Another thing I'd done is it had, of course, the blue seat belts, and I found online a company called Seatbelt Planet. It is a veterans-owned company, all 100% things made here in the United States, and definitely like supporting our veterans. So I had purchased the new seat belts through them, and man, they are amazing. I like them better than the stock ones were. Another thing that I've done on the interior is, of course, I went to the bucket seats and I did the two-tone on the seats. The center console is an entirely custom-made. On the back part of it, it's a fully sealed box that houses a 6.5-inch subwoofer. When you come forward, then you have your actual cubby for your center console. So I've been pretty pleased. The sound system, all the speakers are all Memphis speakers. I've been very pleased with them. Really definitely like it. We usually use the phone and do our Sirius radio through it when we're on the road. So it's pretty nice to have that. I took it to Liz Wheeler, and she did the rally stripes on it for me, and she really took time and did a fantastic job. I can't even say enough about how good she did on putting those rally stripes on. So that really helped set off the look of the truck also. Then I went to Discount Tire and I got a new set of wheels for it. They're nitro wheels. Very satisfied with them. I looked at two different patterns, and this is the one I felt looked the best for the Dakota. And then, of course, I wrapped them with some Cooper Cobra tires. Just gone through fixing it the way I wanted it to come out and look. Put KYB shocks on all four corners. Had Kevin Pays at Pays Automotive. He redid every bushing, everything, the rack and pinion. He did the whole front end for me. This truck has never handled as good as it does now. He actually had to custom make a piece for the steering column because you can't get the parts anymore. But definitely pleased. He also put on dual exhaust with Flowmaster 44s. It's funny because people think that I have a V8 in it, and it's still the 6-cylinder. And you know what, I was going to put a V8, but I'm not sure I'm going to worry about that for a long time because I got a great engine. Just one of my goals now is I'm going to start picking up doing having some of the under the hood stuff set up where it looks more show presentable. Really a fun driving little truck, and I can't say enough about how pleased I've been with the people that did the upholstery, everything. It's just been the people I've dealt with have been absolutely terrific. Yeah, my dad had bought the Dakota, ordered it, and it was delivered late 1988 from Earnhardt. And in the inside, there's a plaque that says it was especially made for Art Studi. And I kept that because it just gives a memory to him, and so I think it kind of makes it neat. As far as the history, one of the pictures I have was actually the Dakota, what it looked like after being pulled behind the motorhome up the Alaskan highway. It looked like a mud puppy. But it was actually the only decent picture that I could find anywhere of the Dakota. It even made it up Pikes Peak before on it, and went driven up Pikes Peak. But yeah, it was my parents. It was their major vehicle to pull behind the motorhome. So it's got a lot of tow miles on it, but the whole engine, transmission, rear end has completely, there's not one thing that hasn't been gone through mechanically on it. That's all we usually use it for now, is just to club events, cruises, do the Route 66 fun run with it. Bucket seats definitely helped in the ride. Much more comfortable ride than the bench seat was. It's definitely been a durable and a trustworthy truck. Looking forward to some more cruises with it.